It's 27th March, and the markets closed on a positive note. The Nifty gained 105 points to close at 23,591, while the Sensex rose 318 points to 77,606. Market breadth remained weak, with 2,352 stocks declining and 1,691 advancing. Oil and gas, PSU Bank, and media stocks led the gains, rising 1.3 to 2.5%, while auto, pharma, and healthcare stocks lagged behind. Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Finserv, IndusInd Bank, NTPC, and BPCL led the gains on the Nifty, showcasing strength amid mixed market sentiment. On the losing side, Tata Motors, Sun Pharma, Eicher Motors, Apollo Hospitals, and Bharti Airtel weighed on the index, facing sectoral pressure and profit booking. The Indian rupee slipped 0.1% to 85.78 against the US dollar on Thursday, weighed down by importer dollar demand despite gains in other Asian currencies. Year-end financial adjustments and upcoming holidays added to market volatility, while oil companies and foreign banks remained active in dollar trades. The broader markets outperformed the benchmarks today, with the Nifty Midcap 100 rising 0.37% and the Small-Cap 100 gaining 1.15%. The strong performance of small-cap stocks highlights renewed investor interest, signaling healthy market participation beyond large-cap segments. Spot gold jumped 1.2% to $3,053 an ounce on Thursday, nearing its all-time high of $3,057. The surge followed US President Donald Trump's announcement of a 25% tariff on auto imports, escalating trade tensions and driving safe haven demand. Gold has risen over 15% this year, with investors now eyeing Friday's US PCE data for clues on the Fed's rate path. Bharat Forge rebounded 6% from its intraday low after securing a key share of the 6,900 crore rupees defense contract. The stock rose 1.26% to 1,199 rupees before stabilizing at 1,192 rupees, outperforming Nifty 50's 0.05% gain. Despite today's recovery, Bharat Forge remains down 9.3% year-to-date, underperforming Nifty 50's 0.25% dip. Newgen Software shares surged 7.03% on Thursday, hitting an intraday high of 1,038 rupee after securing a contract for its Enterprise Content Management (ECM) solution. The project, valued at $1.28 million including taxes, was confirmed in an exchange filing. Adani Group stocks gained nearly 40,000 crore rupees in market value over 15 days, with Gautam Adani leading India's wealth gainers, though still behind Mukesh Ambani. Most Adani stocks advanced except Adani Enterprises. The group has shown interest in acquiring bankrupt Jaiprakash Associates Limited, while ongoing US investigations continue to impact market sentiment. Ashok Leyland shares declined 4.6% as its UK EV unit considers shutting down due to financial struggles. Promoter entity Hinduja Automotive pledged 6,400 crore rupees worth of shares, raising investor concerns. Meanwhile, Switch India remains optimistic, targeting EBITDA breakeven in FY25 with over 1,800 orders. India plans to double the investment cap for individual foreign investors in listed firms to 10%, aiming to attract capital inflows. The move comes as FPIs have withdrawn over $28 billion from Indian stocks since September's Nifty 50 peak, driven by weak earnings, high valuations, and US tariff concerns. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for latest market insights.